Okay folks, I don't know if you have an outdoor faucet like this. I've looked all over YouTube. I couldn't find how to replace washers in it, so I thought I'd make my own video. So the problem with mine is it actually shuts right off, but when I open it up all the way and I leave it open because I have an irrigation system, it drips constantly, and that's because there are 2 washers inside this unit. So the way you're going to get into the unit is first take the screw off on the handle, which I've already done. You're going to pull the handle off, and then you're going to use a 7/8 wrench to take this off by turning this counterclockwise. So I'm going to take it off and show you what it looks like on the inside. So I've loosened the outer collar, and I'm just going to turn it counterclockwise. Just using my, I think I'm going to have to turn it a bit more though. It's not a lot of force, folks. But once you get it to a certain point, you'll be able to simply unscrew it and slide out the entire length, which is about 1 foot. So I'm going to show you what I'm dealing with here. There are 2 washers. The first washer is on the end, which is the washer that when you shut it off prevents it from leaking. And there's actually a washer inside this collar, which I'm going to take off and show you. The replacement washer for the end is this 1/2 inch OD bib washer, fairly solid, not too rubbery plastic. And then you're going to need some of these sterling O-rings, and I would take your old one off and take it to the store so you find the right one. So I'm going to show you what I do next. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to unscrew this long part from the collar, and you're going to do that by holding the end and turning the rod counterclockwise. I'm going to show you that now. So once you've unscrewed it all the way, this is what you'll have. On the rod end, you'll see there's a groove near the top. That's where the O-ring goes. And then I'm going to screw it back together. I just wanted to take a short video showing you the O-ring now in place. And I'm going to put it back into the collar and screw clockwise. Okay, so now I've got it back together. I screwed it back in so it's clockwise, and now I'm going to take off this screw and replace that small hard washer. Screws out now, and with a flathead screwdriver I'll just pop the old washer out and put in a new one. Okay, so here's the old washer on the left and the new washer on the right. I'll replace it and put the screw back. There's the new washer with the screw back, and now I'm going to thread this unit back into the housing, but remember to use some Teflon tape over the threads to make removing it later much easier. Okay, so the Teflon tape is in place, and I'm going to replace the unit. And I'm going to tighten it up, but not over tighten it, because you don't want to break the outside housing. So with my 7/8, I'm simply going to tighten this up. I don't want to over tighten, as I mentioned. You just want it to be snug. That should do it, so I'm not over tightening that at all. Okay, I'll go in the house and turn it on and show you that it's no longer leaking. This is the moment of truth. Normally when this is open, it leaks quite badly. And you can see I'm opening it up right now. And we have absolutely no leak from here. Before I did the fix, there was a constant stream of water, and everything seems perfectly dry. Hope that helps. Take care.